Here's a video review of Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Desert Tracker Ratchet. Ratchet is a Hummer H2 vehicle mode is. It's an ambulance. You can tell by the red there. And that kind of looks like Kellogg's. Oh, tiny bit. And yeah, there's an Autobot symbol right there in the circle. The same on the other side. And on mine, I'm not sure if it's for everyone's, but it's mold. There's a mold on this piece, and it's not fitting in it properly. That's how I got mine. I'm not sure if it's the same for yours. And it looks all sandy with the first. It's sandier than the first movie. See, there's like some tiny white dots here, and here's a little white. Okay, so yeah, transform him. What I want to do first is pop off this. It'll be used for later. And if I forget how, there's like, I have the instructions right here, since I just got them a few minutes ago. And what you want to do first is pop open this piece, flip it there, and do the same here. Pop it, flip it there. And this, you want to just pull, pull it. So you just like that. Let me adjust the camera a little. And do the same over here. Now this piece will fall in because there's two tabs holding it up, right? Okay, there's no holes, but there's tabs holding it up somewhere. You know, I can't find it now. Maybe I'll show you later. Maybe. Yeah, maybe not. Okay, yeah. So then you want to split the windshield, bring it out, back like this. I'm not sure if you're supposed to flip it like this, or like this. You know, I'll take a look at the instructions really quick. Just give me a second. Yeah. Yeah, you're supposed to leave it like how this is, the green part up. I don't really know why, but wait a sec. Shoot, can't see. Let me take a look at the box. Okay, the box. Yeah, okay, so the box just shows it flipped up like this, and that's how I'm gonna do it, so yeah, this is just how I'm gonna do it. Oops. Then take this, pull out the legs, split them, and flip out the foot. Here, this automorph here, see this piece pops out a little. You should see that. Let me show you from a better angle, like, you see? And the knee pops out. Knee pops out. And rotate, wait a sec. Wait 1 second. Yeah, rotate legs from the knee 180, like that. Oops. This is like really flimsy, apparently. And this, it will tab. There's a hole here, which will tab it to a peg there. You can't see that because quality sucks. And then there's a thing. There's a hole there and a peg there. Those go together. Form up waist. Not okay. Make sure it's in. You can see like the windshield is in front, so like I normally, oh wait, first rotate the arms 180. And then these, I just like, shoot, wait a second. Oh crap, popped off. This will pop off because it's really flimsy. Well, a joint makes it flimsy. Okay, so just reattach everything. And these here. See that? And this piece, you wanna. This can pop off too, but it didn't right now. And fold down the arms, and then rotate it 180 when it's down here. Now here is my Desert Tracker Ratchet, right in robot mode. Now, yeah. So he's movie accurate, sorta. Well, I don't really know, but his features are you can pop out this thing and unfold. This becomes some sort of axe. It forms some kind of axe. Chop up lumber for campfires. Okay. And now is this thingamajig. You wanna unpeg him. See, there's a peg there, a hole there. So you just wanna unpeg them. There's a hole here, or a peg here, and a hole there on his arm. Those go together, and we have more, also a morph. I think, yeah. And then if you slide this green thing down, like, shoot. Okay, anyway, look. I'll just show it from here. See, slide it down the file. Okay, so this is what I was talking about here. See, because either of these, they can show up like this. And then you just rotate these on the rest it on the wheels. I prefer to do it that, but you could do it the other way. And yeah, I don't have any size comparisons now. Apparently, I forgot that in the car, my dad's car. Oh yeah, and they do something different. Screws are forward in front now instead of like hidden somewhere. And yeah, the back looks back heavy, but you just pop that off to make it less back heavy. But this just would go on, but it comes off super easily on mine and basically everyone else's. So yeah, this, oh yeah, it doesn't hold together as well. Now, yeah, just want to fold it back up. And yeah, so, see ya. Alright. Oh yeah, wait, one more quick thing. It does have light piping. I don't know if I can show that to you. Here, just gotta get a webcam. See, he does have light piping. So, yeah, peace.